House exteriors are exposed to constant and differing weather conditions and climates, so they need some additional considerations from painting a house interior. Painting the exterior of your home may feel like a daunting task, but we've got all the tips you need to make exterior painting a breeze. Here is what you are going to need: premium exterior paint like Taubmans Sunproof or Endura Exterior for walls, and Taubmans Ultimate Alkyd Enamel for doors, windows and trims. Several drop cloths, sponge and soap solution using detergent and water, sandpaper at 180 and 240 grade, masking tape, exterior grade acrylic or poly-based fillers, gap sealant and exterior grade fillers, flexible filling blade, and a selection of paintbrushes. We recommend a 25mm angled brush for getting into those hard to paint areas and for trim work. 50mm and 63mm brushes are easier to use for first-time painters. Taubmans recommends only using premium brushes and rollers like the ones from Monarch, a 230mm or 270mm roller frame and paint trays to match. And we recommend 10 to 12mm nap roller covers. You'll also need a pole, a stepladder. To paint the entire exterior could take up to a week, but painting smaller sections will only take a couple of days. These are the steps you will need to follow. Start by determining the paint colour you want for your exterior. You may choose to have a uniform colour across the entire exterior of your home, but a number of trim colours, depending on the detail and materials used on the building exterior. Use drop cloths to protect any plants from damage and the concrete from any potential spills. Safety is a huge consideration when painting exteriors. Ensure you're placing ladders or scaffolding on level ground. Paint from the top down, beginning with the gutters. Once the gutters are complete, move on to the fascia, the board under the gutter, and eaves, the section between the fascia and wall. Note that fascias and gutters need to be painted with brushes. Next, move on to the walls. The equipment required here is dependent on the nature of the surface you're painting on. Finally, paint the doors and windows. Make sure you move the windows when painting so they are not painted shut. Weatherboards will need to be painted with a brush or spray, while brick and render can be painted with sprays or extra long nap rollers. Once you have painted your home's exterior, you may be inspired to make the inside look just as fabulous. Now, let's go paint.